My name is Miky Blivas. I'm CEO of Blazesoft. Blazesoft is a Toronto-based company developing games for the US and Canadian market. We are a heavily technological company, over 50 employees here speaking 8 different languages, and yet we're all Canadians. Very entertaining business, very engaging, very much focused on customer retention and customer monetization, which requires substantial effort in technology and processes. About a year and a half ago, we understood that we need a cross-organizational tool to support our growth. So we started with our customer support. Customer support was the actual, what we call a business challenge. It was a fast-growing department. We used other tool. It was Zendesk to handle certain processes within the organization. We reached with a certain level where we understood that that's not enough for us. We're looking for something more robust, with something that allows integration with the existing system that we have. More interfaces, more processes. We went through a certain discovery process where we needed to evaluate whether we develop internally or we use the tool. When it comes to tools, we took a look on Zoho, we checked Microsoft CRM, we checked Salesforce and a few other solutions. Developing proprietary is not for us because we're a gaming company and we decided not to go in developing non-gaming solutions. While between the other, let's call it known solutions, I think the Zoho is the right one. We selected a partner, a local Canadian partner, customization. And with them, it was a quick win. We were able, in a matter of, I think, couple of months, just 1-2 months, to show results, to address those pain points. And that what made us select Zoho as a cross-organizational product.
We suggested Blazesoft to evaluate Zoho as a great fit to their needs that has many challenges, and one of the challenges is to support this very fast grow and integrate with all the other applications and software and solutions they use in the company. When you migrate from one software to another, there are many challenges that you might face. In this case, one of the challenges was to support transition as a smooth transition without downtime, because the company operates 24/7 and provides support to its customers non-stop. The second challenge was to make sure that we can support all the existing business processes in customer support and enhance them and introduce other processes without challenging the team and customer support representatives with this new change.
Our customer support is structured from 3 teams. One of them is providing VIP customer support, the second one providing support to the regular customers, and the third one is dealing with back office operations. Like all customer support, we are dealing with SLA, productivity, measurement, and improving ourselves with the time. So basically, the main concern is how to allocate tickets to the different team members, how to measure them, how to understand that the person who started the process will eventually or conclude it and will be measured on this or someone else. So we, using the Zoho, implemented very sophisticated algorithms to manage our pools in order we'll be able to manage the SLA in the proper way, to analyze it, and also to understand the productivity levels of different team members.
So we handling daily between 500 to 1,000 tickets, and it's growing more and more by sometimes 10% a month. The way we see system, it's never a standalone product. It's always integration between several. It's never just one. I think one of the advantages of Zoho, it's the easiness to create interfaces and to create something that I'm calling the 360 approach. So if before our customer support team had to have 5 different windows open on their screens and travel between all those screens, and with all potential errors and human mistakes that can happen, right now we have just one system, one window, one 360 approach, where the main screen is the Zoho screen that's connected to our BI platforms, analytical platforms, other, let's call it, organizational tools that we have. And all that is being done from one form based on Zoho Desk.
I think that most important, we implemented the measurement and analytical capabilities we haven't had before. We implemented and integrated our different solutions with Zoho Desk. So basically, Zoho Desk helps us to manage the multi-brand environment from the same place without any additional thought required from the representative, doing it mainly automatic and very simple.
So once we implemented Desk, the next phase was to enhance desk capabilities using Zoho Flow to integrate desk with other systems is external systems like Trustpilot, when customers provide feedback about the company. Once the feedback is provided, a new ticket immediately is being created in the system, so Blazesoft team can address this ticket and take care of the customer. Another good example was connecting Zoho Desk to the backend systems Blazesoft utilizes.
So we are, as a Zoho One users, enjoying the ecosystem of multiple products that Zoho provides. I think business is all about processes, and what Zoho gives us is the option to manage the processes and adjust those processes as fast as these processes change. And this is very, very important. Everyone speaks about technologies that are getting involved, but this is not, as I think, the most important thing. What really evolves is the processes within the company. Using Zoho for us is the ability to adjust our business on an ongoing basis. There are lots of tools within the Zoho that are built in that allows to adjust those processes on the fly. We have one tool, one screen. With the click of the button, I can just change from the CRM to the desk to any other tool. There are within the product existing interfaces that basically allow to port data from one tool to another tool. And once again, it's a massive advantage to be part of that 360 approach.